Hello and welcome to Erwin's Megastore. Today we're going to be unboxing the Klarstein 2.5 liter air fryer. Let's do this. And here you have it, the Klarstein 2.5 liter air fryer. Comes with its own basket, which, as the name suggests, it's a 2.5 liter. Comes with its own basket as well. As you can see over here, nice, small and compact. Has its own handle for picking up, carrying around and putting wherever you need it in the kitchen. And a nice little display on the top there. This air fryer will keep you healthy on a budget. Small, compact, easy to use, a real space age looking machine. Comes in black and white. This is the white model. And the best part, you don't need any oil to cook up food here. So this way you can eat fried food and be healthy on a budget. All of those things and more with the Klarstein 2.5 liter air fryer.